things that I've learned is when I work out and when I get tired, I learned how to do big belly breathing. It's also something that's really, really important if we get mad or if we get sad. Do you like being mad? Do you like being sad? Does it get you attention? You know when you do your and then your teachers or your mom and dad come and give you attention, but I don't like when kids are sad or mad, so I teach them how to do something called breathing. Now, what you do when you do belly breathing, you take your hands and put it on your belly like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to try to push your belly out as far as you can. Now watch. I spent the whole summer eating a lot of pizza and ice cream so that my belly gets, I had a six-pack, but I ate a lot of pizza so that my belly would get really, really big, if anyone's buying that, so that I can show you belly breathing. So watch. When you take a big belly breath in, you breathe in with your nose like this. And then look how big my belly, can you guys get your bellies bigger? And now when you breathe out with your mouth, and you pull your belly in. Can you do that? And adults, you do have ab muscles, they just may be buried underneath there like mine are. Ready? So everybody breathe in, make your belly big. Breathe out, make your belly small. Let's grab onto that string and straighten ourselves up. Awesome. Breathe in, make your belly big. I like the way your hand is down. I like the way your hand is down. Breathe out, make your belly small. One more time. Make your belly big. And breathe. Oh! What happened? Did I fall asleep? Oh, so what happens is when I breathe in and breathe out a lot, I fall asleep because when I was a little kid, my sensei taught me whenever, I used to be afraid of thunderstorms. Even though thunder is sound. Can sound hurt you? Sound can't hurt you. But I used to be afraid of the thunder, so my sensei taught me if I breathe, every time I heard thunder, I breathe in and I breathe out. So that way I'll feel better and I used to actually be able to fall asleep.